Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Danish pastries at home. We'll start by gathering all the necessary ingredients, ensuring you have everything ready for a smooth baking process. Then, I'll guide you through preparing the dough, focusing on achieving the perfect texture. Finally, we'll cover the crucial chilling step, which is key to that wonderful flaky result. Let's get baking. Now that our dough is chilled, it's time for the exciting lamination process. This involves carefully folding cold butter into the dough, creating those signature flaky layers. You'll repeat this folding and chilling sequence several times to build up the perfect texture. Once laminated, we'll move on to shaping the dough into beautiful Danish pastries, ready for their delicious fillings. Get ready for some pastry artistry. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this guide on making Danish, please hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Quick recommendation. On another note, imagine baking with your favorite tunes playing or asking for a timer hands-free. Bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's super handy in the kitchen. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With our Danish pastries beautifully shaped, it's time to add the flavor. You can prepare your favorite fillings, whether it's a sweet cream cheese, a vibrant fruit preserve, or even a nutty almond paste. We'll then generously fill each pastry, ensuring every bite is bursting with taste. Finally, we'll bake them to perfection, watching as they turn a beautiful golden brown and fill your kitchen with an irresistible aroma. Almost ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.